In this video, we will show you how to change language on Facebook using Android and also using Windows computers. In here, to change the language on Facebook using Androids, first you can click this menu and scroll down. And in here, you can click settings and privacy here. Just click this. After that, you can click the language. Just click the language here. And you can see here, there is language that you can choose. For example, we're using this language. And you can see there, our Facebook language has been changed. You can see. We change the language on computers, especially on Windows operating system here. We will minimize for Facebook app. Just open the web browser and it is also the same. We will reload this, for example, to see our current language. Okay, this is our current language. For example, we want to change into the Japanese. Just click this and choose settings and privacy. Select language and choose this language. For example, just choose Japanese. Okay, choose Japanese like this. And your Facebook language will be changed look like this. Okay, and that's all tutorial how to change language on Facebook using apps on smartphone or using web browser on computers. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below. Thanks for watching and hope this video helpful for you.